structural organization in animals. In that chapter, cockroach is an important topic. Scientific name of cockroach is Periplaneta americana, and the cockroach belongs to the phylum Arthropoda, and cockroach belongs to the class Insecta, and cockroaches are nocturnal habit, and we all know cockroach is black or brown in color. In this section, we need to discuss about the morphology, anatomy, circulatory system, respiratory system, reproductive system, etc. First of all, morphology of cockroach. Morphology. Cockroaches are 34 to 53 millimeter in diameter and reddish brown in color. Body of cockroach is covered by a chitinous exoskeleton. Chitinous exoskeleton. In each segment, it is hardened at a place. That is what called a sclerites. It's an important point. Sclerites. So the body of cockroach is covered by chitinous exoskeleton. In each segment, it is hardened at a place. That is what called a sclerites. Dorsally, it is called, the sclerites is called a tergites, and ventrally it is called a sternites. And the tergite and sternites, both ventral side and the dorsal side, is joined by arthrodial membrane. This is also an important point. Arthrodial membrane. This arthrodial membrane is also called, maybe a question, arthrodial membrane is also called a articular membrane. What? Articular membrane. Then the body of cockroach is divided into three distinct parts. That is head, thorax, abdomen. These are the three distinct parts of cockroach. First of all, we need to discuss about the head of cockroach. Head is triangular in shape. Head is triangular in shape, fused by 6 segments. Head of cockroach is triangular in shape, that is fused by 6 segments. Head consists of a pair of antenna and a pair of eyes. Actually, the antenna are arise just in front of the eye socket. Both the antenna and the eye are sensory in function. And head region also consists of biting and chewing. It's an important point. Biting and chewing type of mouth parts. So the mouth parts of cockroach are, it's an important point, upper lip. Cockroach upper lip is called a labrum, and the lower lip is called a labium, and a pair of maxillae, and a pair of mandibles. Mandibles also wrote pairs. And a median lobe which acts as tongue. Tongue of cockroach is called hypopharynx. That's all about the mouth parts of cockroach. That is upper lip called labrum, lower lip called labium, a pair of maxillae and a pair of mandibles, and a median lobe which acts as tongue, which is called hypopharynx. Then second part is called thorax. Thorax of cockroach consists of three parts. That is prothorax, second mesothorax, metathorax. So the thorax region is divided into three parts, that is prothorax, mesothorax, metathorax. Head is connected to the prothorax. Head is connected to the prothorax by a flexible neck. So the cockroach can move any direction. Then thorax region consists of two pairs of wings. Two pairs of wings means a cockroach have four wings. So the first pair of wings, that is called forewings. First pair of wings are called forewings. They are arising from this part, that is mesothorax. So what do you know about the forewings? The first pair of wings are called forewings. They are arising from mesothorax. The forewings is also called, it's an important question for entrance, that is tegmina. The forewings is also called tegmina. And the structure of forewings is, it is dark. It is dark, opaque, and the function of the forewings is to hide the hind wings. The second pair of wings is called hind wings, which are hidden by the forewings. The function of forewings is hiding the hind wings during rest condition. Second pair of wings are called hind wings, which are arising from this part, that is metathorax. They are just opposite, that is they are transparent. They are transparent and are used for flight. That's all about the thorax region of cockroach. Next, we need to discuss about the abdomen. The last section from the morphology, abdomen of cockroach. Abdomen of both male cockroach and female cockroach, both male and female, abdomen consists of 10 segments. There are 10 segments in cockroach. Both male and female, abdomen region consists of 10 segments. First of all, female. In female cockroach, the seventh sternum, the ventral side, the seventh sternum is boat shaped. Seventh sternum is boat shaped. Together with the eighth and ninth sternum. Eighth and ninth sternum. It forms its genital pouch. So the female genital pouch is located, means the seventh sternum is boat shaped, together with the eighth and ninth sternum forms its genital pouch. Its anterior part consists of collateral gland. Important, collateral gland. Female gonopore. Female gonopore. Third, spermathecal pore. Spermathecal pore. That's all about the female abdomen. So the both male and female abdomen consists of 10 segments. In female, seventh sternum is boat shaped. Together with the eighth and ninth sternum forms its genital pouch. Its anterior part consists of collateral gland, female gonopore, spermathecal pore. Next, male. In male, genital pouch is located dorsally by ninth and 10th terga. Dorsally by 9th and 10th terga, and ventrally by 9th sternum. But it consists of, in the case of female, the anterior part of the genital pouch consists of these parts. But in the case of male, the genital pouch itself consists of a dorsal anus, ventral male gonopore, gonapophysis. That's all about the male genital pouch. An important point, both male and female, 10th segment consists of, we all know, both male and female, the abdomen consists of 10 segments. In the case of male and female, 10th segment consists of anal cerci. Means anal cerci we can see in both male and female. But anal style is present only in male. It's an important point. Anal style is present only in male, but anal cerci is present both male and female. That's all about abdomen.